Tired of your code living only on your laptop? Let's get your projects online and learn how to post code to GitHub right from your laptop. First things first, create a new repository on GitHub. You'll need to log into your GitHub account and give your project a name and description. Make sure you choose the visibility of the repository. Secondly, it's time to get the project on your laptop. To talk to your GitHub repository, then you'll navigate to the project folder on your laptop. Now you're going to initialize a Git repository within your project folder. This will basically enable local version control. Then the next step is to stage all the changes. Next we will make our first commit. A commit creates a point of code to go back to later. Now we're ready to push our local code to the remote GitHub repository. Now, you've successfully pushed your code to GitHub. You can share the repository link with others, track changes, and even invite collaborators. Congrats! You now know how to post code on GitHub from your laptop.